Love conquers all. It breaks down limitations, moves mountains, crosses oceans and modifications lives. There may be nothing that love can't triumph over. Except for snoring, that is the 0.33 most commonplace cause of divorce inside the USA and Super Britain. Treatment. 1. Sleep on your side. When you sleep on your back, basing your tongue and the soft palate in the back of your throat, your breathing was hindered and suddenly caused snoring. If you sleep on one side, you can help keep your throat open and there is a great chance that snoring will stop. 2. Try to lose some weight. Stops the previous item. If you are overweight, block the lungs and throat of air and cause snoring. But that can be the least of your problems here, so overweight also increases the chances of suffering from sleep apnea. 3. Blow your nose well before you go to bed. Breathing through the mouth often causes snoring, also it is a good idea to try to breathe through the nose. So it is recommended to blow your nose well and, if necessary, use a nasal spray to release the airways before going to sleep. Another advantage of this is that the quality of your sleep will improve. 4. Use nostrils. If you or your partner are snoring because of nasal congestion, you can try to use special nasal strips, nasal passages and open, and help breathing improve, which will reduce snoring and even eliminate them. 5. Clean the house well. Allergies are one of the main causes of snoring, also it is very important to clean your house frequently, especially your bedroom. Empty and wash curtains, leaves and corners. 6. Look at your diet. Faith in not otherwise, the hat deal with snoring. Avoid heavy alcohol meals and before going to sleep. Alcohol relaxes the throat muscles, making snoring less often. Thanks for watching. We wish best of luck for you. Subscribe the channel. Share the video with your friends and family.